In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Lowe's website efficiently for your home improvement needs. This guide is designed to help you explore all the features that Lowe's online platform offers so you can make your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. Let's get started by heading over to Lowe's home improvement website. You can simply type in www.lowes.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter, or if you prefer, you can search for Lowe's Home Improvement in your favorite search engine and click on the official link that appears in the results. Once you're on the home page, you'll immediately notice the clean and user-friendly interface that Lowe's provides. The homepage is designed to give you quick access to various product categories, promotional deals, and customer service options, all at a glance. But to truly make your shopping experience efficient, let's dive deeper into how you can manage your selections by visiting the cart. Now, locating your cart on the Lowe's website is quick and straightforward. If you glance toward the upper right corner of the web page, you'll see an icon that resembles a shopping cart. This is your digital shopping cart, a convenient place for reviewing the items you're interested in purchasing. Go ahead and click on the cart icon. When you click on the cart, you'll be directed to a new page that displays all the products you have chosen thus far. Here you can review the quantity, remove items you no longer wish to purchase, or even save certain items for later if you're not ready to decide yet. Make use of this space to ensure your selections are as intended before you proceed to checkout. It's always a good practice to double check your cart for accuracy, especially if you're working on a large project or purchasing multiple items. Additionally, if you need more information about a product that you've added to your cart, the website provides an option to click on each item for detailed descriptions, specifications, and customer reviews. This feature is incredibly helpful if you want to confirm the dimensions, material, or even see what others have said about the product before confirming your purchase. Remember, keeping your online cart organized and periodically checked will save you time and stress when you're ready to check out, or if you need to make budget adjustments. Feel free to explore other functionalities on the Lowe's website, such as wish lists, which allow you to save items that catch your eye but you're not ready to buy. That's all for today's guide. With these steps, navigating Lowe's website should be a breeze, and you'll be one step closer to completing your next home improvement task with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.